If your company decided on mandatory license plate numbers, you will have to type them in before booking a parking spot. You can do that in 3 different ways. By clicking Add your license plate numbers button on the home screen, by going to your profile and clicking License plate numbers field, or during your first booking when the pop-up appears. From the home screen, go to the Book a Spot tab. From the list, choose the day on which you want to book. If you want the system to assign you the first available spot, click Book Any. If you want to choose the spot by yourself, click Map Pick. Click one of the empty circles to select the spot. Confirm your booking by clicking the Book this spot button. To release your booked spots, go to the Release Spots tab. From the list, choose the days on which you want to release spots. Release them by clicking the Confirm Dates button. On the home screen, click the I have a parking issue button. Choose an issue from the list and follow instructions on your screen until the app proposes a solution.